perform SQL injection attack on Android using Drozer. In this video, we are going to take a look at first of all SQL injection attack using Drozer and how you can exploit database and can get information about the username and the password inside database that we are going to learn here in this video. So first of all, you need to open Drozer inside command prompt, and then I will show you that how you can perform this attack. So guys, we are here at Drozer, so you can see here that this is Drozer command, right? And it is quite easy. That go to the Drozer path in C drive and type drozer.bat space console space connect, and you will connect with the Drozer. Alright, now I'm going to show you that how you can get information about the username and the passwords and the tables inside the database. So basically I have written some commands inside my notepad file that I'm going to show you here. So you can see on the screen that these are some commands available that I'm going to show you. So the first one, run app.provider.query content. You know that this is the package. That's the selection. 1 equals to 1 is the true query. Union all. We are going to select all the information from db name, SQL, 3, 4, SQLite underscore master. So we are trying to get information about the db inside that application, Android application. So let me do one thing. You can copy this and you can open Drozer and you can paste here. Just copy and paste here. So this is the complete query, run app.provider.query. I have already written inside notepad file, so it is looking properly. Alright, so now you can hit enter. So you can see here that it is showing you the ID, it is showing you the table user, and it is also showing you there is also a table password. So now we know that there are two tables are available. One is user and one is the password. Obviously in user you will find the username, and inside password you will find the password. Got it? SQLite master is basically the DB available. So this is the query, right, which I have copied from notepad file. You can also check there. This is the query, and these all are the information we got from Drozer, that what kind of table names there, user or column names there, right? So these information can be found using this query. What is next? Next, in the second query, run app.provider, again the same thing. That's the selection 1 equal to 1 union all select. Now we know that the column names user and the password, right? So you can check here, users is the table name and user and the password are the column names. So now we can manipulate the query. So you can see here that it is taking the table name users, and inside users it is taking the column names. Column is username, user and the password, right? So user is the first, second is password, and third, fourth we have no idea from users, which is table name. So again you can use this query inside Drozer, right? So we can copy that from this notepad file and you can paste here. So this is the query, a basic query, right? Run app.provider, selection all, union all, select user, password from users, and hit enter. Here it is. So you can check here that what we got. So this is the user column, this is the password column, and inside user you can see the username is John Doe, password is you found the password, right? This is the description, and this is again the second ID, this is the username, this is the password, and so we got the two values inside the table name. This is the complete table which we got. Alright, for example, if I want to get only first column, because I think this is the right one, I want to skip the second one, so how I can manipulate the query? Let me show you. In the third query you can see that there is no change, but there is slight one change, is this 1 equal to 0. So what will happen, basically it will only take the first one and it will skip all other values available in the table. So you can also use this one to check. So copy this, right click, and here you can paste here and hit enter. Now you can check here that you only got the first. You can see here in the previous result you found 2 results, but here it has basically manipulated the query and you only got the first result. So you got the username and the password. So that's how you can perform SQL injection on Android application, and you can get information about the tables, you can get information about the columns, and you can also manipulate query inside it. So this is a basic information about SQL injection that you can perform on Android application. So this is all about SQL injection attack on Android application. Let's talk about the section summary, what we have learned in this section. First of all, we have learned about SQL injection attack overview, like what is SQL injection attack. Then we have learned how to attack on the application using Drozer, what are the different Drozer commands. And then finally I have shown you that how you can exploit Android application using SQL injection queries. So this is all about this section, and in the next section we are going to learn about ethical hacking exam preparation. Thank you.